In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Outgrow to Salesforce step by step and why integrating these two platforms can skyrocket your lead generation. Whether you're a marketer, a sales professional, or just someone looking to make the most of your tools, stay tuned because this process is simpler than you might think, and I'm going to walk you through it. But first, before we dive into the tutorial, if you've never used Outgrow before, it's a no-code platform that lets you create interactive quizzes, calculators, assessments, and more to engage your audience and generate high-quality leads. Salesforce, on the other hand, is the go-to CRM for sales teams, helping manage customer relationships and track interactions. Combining Outgrow's interactive content with Salesforce's customer management is a game changer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get it set up. If you stick around until the end, I'm also going to let you in on how you can try Outgrow completely free using a special link below, along with some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Alright, now let's get to the meat of the tutorial, connecting Outgrow to Salesforce. The first thing you need to do is head over to Outgrow's integrations page. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard, and from the menu, select Integrations. Look for the Salesforce option and click on it. Outgrow supports direct integrations with Salesforce, so this is where the magic happens. When you click on Salesforce, Outgrow will ask you to authenticate your Salesforce account. This is the standard OAuth authentication method, which means you'll just need to log into your Salesforce account and give Outgrow permission to access your Salesforce data. It's quick, secure, and straightforward. Once authenticated, you'll be taken to a settings page where you can customize how your leads from Outgrow will be sent to Salesforce. You can map the fields from Outgrow to Salesforce, which means you can choose what information from your Outgrow forms, like email, name, phone number, etc., will be passed into Salesforce as lead data. This is crucial for ensuring that you have all the right info in your CRM, ready for your sales team to follow up with. Now, here's a tip. You'll want to ensure that you're passing over the right data points to maximize lead quality. For instance, if you've created a quiz or calculator that asks for specific user preferences, you can push that data into custom fields within Salesforce to segment your leads more effectively. This will allow you to create highly targeted follow-ups and nurture those leads better. Once you've mapped the fields, you can test the integration. Outgrow makes it easy to test everything with a sample lead to ensure everything is flowing properly. If everything looks good, you can hit the Save button and you're done. But don't leave just yet, because there's more to making this integration work for you. To make the most of your Outgrow Salesforce connection, you can also set up automated workflows within Salesforce to trigger follow-ups when a new lead comes in. This way, your sales team can be alerted right away and can start engaging with the lead instantly. Now, just to recap, by connecting Outgrow to Salesforce, you're automating your lead flow, improving your customer relationship management, and making sure no lead slips through the cracks. Plus, you're saving your team a ton of time by letting these tools work together seamlessly. And remember, if you want to try Outgrow for yourself and see the power of this integration firsthand, I've got an exclusive extended free trial waiting for you in the link below. You won't want to miss out on this opportunity to start generating high-quality leads and supercharging your CRM workflow with Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.